All right, guys, really quickly, I'm going to go over a couple things to take a look at in terms of trying to add some extensions for our Google Meets. You will see in your assignment today on Schoology, there's two links here. You've got Nod for reactions for Google Meets and Google Meet Push to Talk. So those are the ones that we're going to add, and they'll be helpful for when we meet on Google Meets just to kind of keep track of what's going on and if people need help with things. So you don't need to type anything in. You're just going to click on each of these links. It'll take you directly to the extension to add. So Nod is the first one. It's called Nod Reactions to Google Meets. This one we're going to add to Chrome. It's going to give me or give you guys some options in terms of some things that you can do to help me out with kind of where you're at with certain things when we're doing the Google Meet. So you're going to click Add Extension. And then what happens is it adds it up here. The extension pops up here. So if you look at the little puzzle piece, and it should pop up and notify you Nod has been added. But then when you click on this puzzle piece, you'll see all my other extensions I've got here. Another thing you can do is go ahead and pin that extension. So if you want it to be there and show up right away. Otherwise, if you unpin it, it goes away. But that doesn't mean that you don't have it. It's just something really quick. If it's something that you need really quick, you can pin it there as well. So we've got that one added there. You can anytime you can remove it. So if you're using it but you don't need it, you can get rid of it. The other one that we were going to add was the Google Meet Push to Talk. So same thing, click the link here, it'll take you directly to the extension. This one is where you can hit your space bar to mute and unmute your mic, so it'll automatically, when your mic is muted in our meets, because that's what the expectation is, you can hit the space bar or hold it down to talk, and then when you let go again, it will mute your mic again. That way you don't have to keep clicking buttons, and it's something that you can think about using when you're in a Google Meet. So we're going to add that extension. Same thing will happen here. It'll notify us and pop up here. It says it's been added. If you want to go in there and then pin it so you know where it is, you can see Google Meet Push to Talk right here. I can pin it and now it shows up on my extensions as well. So make sure that you download both of these. This video will be in here on the Schoology assignment as well, but make sure you download both of those to get those popped up and be ready for your Google Meets, and we will use those to kind of connect. And if you have questions or if things are kind of different for you, those types of things, that'll be there for us to use as well.